In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a folder on Google Drive with ease and confidence. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, sharing files with friends, or simply wanting to transfer some documents, knowing how to effectively share folders is an essential skill. So let's dive right into it. First, the journey begins by visiting Google Drive. You can access Google Drive by typing drive.google.com into your web browser's address bar. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with a list of all your stored files and folders, a digital library at your fingertips. If you're not already signed in, be sure to enter your account credentials to gain access. Now let's move on to selecting the folder you wish to share. Take a moment to browse through your drive and locate the particular folder you want to make accessible to others. It's crucial to ensure that you choose the correct folder to avoid any mix-ups later on. Once you've found the folder, it's time to click on it. This will open up the contents, allowing you to confirm you've selected the right collection of files. You should see a list of everything contained within this folder. Look for the folder's name, usually located at the upper middle section of your screen, and give it a click. This step is essential as it takes you to the sharing options associated with that specific folder. Next, look for the Share option. This is typically located near the top right of your screen. Clicking on it will open up the sharing settings for the folder. Sharing in Google Drive is highly customizable, so let's make sure you get the settings just right. At this point, you'll want to change the general access setting to anyone with the link. This feature is particularly useful when you need to share files with those outside your immediate network or team. However, a word of caution, making something accessible to anyone with the link means that anyone who receives the link can access the folder, so share responsibly. The final step involves assigning the appropriate role to those with the link. For this tutorial, we'll go ahead and change the role to Editor. This role grants individuals the ability to make changes to the folder's contents, making it ideal for collaborative projects. However, if you prefer limiting access to view only, you can select Viewer instead, and just like that, you're done. You've successfully shared a folder on Google Drive. As you continue to share folders, remember to periodically review your sharing settings to maintain control over your files. With these steps, you're well equipped to foster collaboration or share your important documents efficiently. Thank you for joining me, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further guidance.